Wiggle, wiggle.
Like.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you a basic understanding of WordPress and how to install WordPress platform on your web host. But first of all, let's understand what is WordPress. WordPress is a platform that allows you to create any type of website. This can be done by the use of themes and plugins. Themes allows you to control the look and design of your site, and plugins are used to extend the functionality of your website. WordPress powers 28% of all websites, and best of all, it's completely free. Okay, so now let's switch to my computer and install WordPress. For this course, I'm going to use a free web hosting called infinityfree.net because I think this is a great web hosting service for new starters. But if you are planning to make a website for your business, I recommend using a paid web hosting, such as hostgator.com. And for domain name, I recommend using namecheap.com. Okay, so now all you need to do is click on the sign up button to get your account. I already did that, so I will log into my account and go to Control Panel or cPanel. Here you have different tools for managing your website, but I'm looking for a quick WordPress installer, and I will click on the apps installer and select WordPress. Now in here you have to select the protocol, domain name which you have chosen when you have created your account, and remove the WP directory. Down here type your site name, description, admin username and password. And I will leave the default ones because I will secure the site later in the course. And scroll down and click install. This process may take some time. As you can see, the WordPress has been successfully installed. To log into your WordPress dashboard, click the WP admin URL. And on the left side you can see the menu. If you want to see how your site looks like, go up here and click visit site. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.